All right, as promised, I am back with more details on Bank of America's new Community Affordable Loan Solution. That's the name of this program with the no down payment, and you get a ton of help on your closing costs. It's not only credit score driven, meaning they look at the credit score, but they're more looking at your history on how you paid things like rent and some other bills and try to really get a holistic picture so that they can get more people qualified for this program. Big thing, number one, is location. Where are you located? I'm in Dallas, DFW, Dallas Fort Worth Metroplex. So we are one of the cities that they are rolling this out to test it with. Within Dallas, the counties that can qualify are Dallas County, of course, Ellis County, Denton, Hunt, Kaufman, Rockwall, and even Collin County. Yes, so they are looking at areas that are predominantly Black or Hispanic, and they're determining that by the census. See, I told y'all that census was important to fill out. I digress. We're talking about B of A's great loan program. So those are the properties that will qualify for these mortgages. Right now, the income limit, meaning the borrower or borrowers, plural, cannot make over $132,000 a year. So if you're on the loan by yourself, your annual income cannot exceed $132,000. If you are a husband and wife or two people on the loan, again, income limit is the same, $132,000. You have to make less than that to qualify. You can get up to $647,000 with this program as your loan limit. So I thought that was a nice, generous amount for DFW. You can still do up to 4 units. You can do single family detached, like your townhomes and things like that. But you can also do duplexes, triplexes, fourplexes. Now with the multifamily, you do have to have some more assets in the background to qualify for those, but they do qualify for this program. So keep that in mind. Let's see, what else do we have here? It must be purchased for your primary residence. Okay, so you can't be an investor like, oh, I'm gonna purchase it and rent it right out. You have to purchase it and intend on staying there as a homeowner. Okay, you do have to be a first-time buyer. And how they define first-time buyer is you cannot have owned a home in the most recent 3 years. So if you owned a home 5 years ago, but you currently don't own one now, guess what? You are back into that first home buyer or first-time buyer category. So you could apply for this loan. There is a home buyer education course that you do have to take. It's done online. I think that it's worthwhile for you anyhow, and a very easy thing to do when people are giving you down payment and closing cost money. Okay, so definitely take the test. And kind of the way it flows is you fill out a preliminary application to make sure that you qualify for just the minimum program qualifications and that you can get in and meet that criteria. Then you move on to the home buyer education course, and then the actual loan qualification, where they're still going to gather documents from you like they would on a regular mortgage process, but it's the underwriting that is going to make the difference here, as they're not just looking at your credit score. They're building your file up a more holistic way. Once you get your pre-approval, then you are ready to shop. So you've got your application done, your home buyer education course has been done, they've gathered all of your documents and got you pretty much underwritten, where all you have to do is find the house. And you have 90 days from the time that they give you that pre-approval to go out with your realtor like me and find a house. You don't have to have a realtor, but if you're a first-time home buyer or haven't bought in a while, I strongly suggest you have a realtor by your side to keep guiding you through the process. And then boom, you're a homeowner. Now I am getting a few other little details or little questions that I had answered, and I will probably report back and put them in the comments or what have you, but this is the gist of it. I know for my buyers here in DFW, I already have a loan contact. The program is ready and you can start making application. So if you're in DFW or if you know anybody that is, please have them call me. I want as many people as possible to take advantage of this. So they are ready to start taking applications, guys. So hope that was helpful. I'll report back with, again, those couple of other little questions that I had and put those in maybe the caption area. And happy home hunting. That didn't stop the way it was supposed to.